Hi, I'm Bob from All New. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Step 2 All New Protect. So we've given the table enough time to dry. In our kit, we include two separate blue microfiber sponges. One of those we would have used in the clean step. And now this is an unused one that we're going to use for the Step 2 Protect product. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the Step 2 Protect product to the microfiber sponge. So here I'm going to put the product up to the mouth. Squeeze it together, distribute the product. We don't want it to be dripping wet or really saturated. We're just going to put a nice light coat on. So with our blue sponge properly wet, we're going to do this little section right here. I'm going to press down a little bit, but not too hard. And as we apply, we do want to use a swirling technique. We're applying it lightly, and that's intended to get into, most tables have some shapes and contours, and so as you swirl, it helps you get on the edges and get a full uniform coverage of the table. So the key to applying the Step 2 Protect is to get nice thin coats. Thicker here isn't better. The one thing that we do recommend is that if you do want to put on a second coat, that you give the time needed for the product not only to dry to the touch, which will happen pretty quickly depending if you're in outdoor direct sun and in heat, but also give it a little bit of time to cure. So now that we've done the Step 2 Protect, all we want to do is give the table a couple hours, and then it's time to entertain with your friends. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on all the all new products and applications, visit us online.